Hello, how you doing, Mr. Tyler?
Hey, Randy. Randy, you logged into Edsby already? I guess he stepped away. Oh.
How you doing, Mr. Tyler?
Hey, Randy, are you logged into Edsby and Scratch?
Yes.
No, today's an easy quiz.
Every Fridays we get quizzes, right?
Mm-hmm. This is gonna be easy for you, Randy. Trust me. One more minute. We're gonna get started. Looks like you're gonna be reading most for points, Randy. Okay, we're gonna get going. It's Carson. Okay, Tyshawn. All right, so we 5 minutes past. I think I got all the attendance. Let me just check real quick. Okay, so first on the list would be you, Randy. You're gonna help us out with the norms. Uh-oh, my screen is acting up. Let me fix it. Okay, we'll try this again. Okay, that's not what I wanted you to do. There we go. Okay, let's refresh it. And present. Fresh screen. Oh boy, something's up with this. Okay, it's tripping. Why is it tripping today? That's interesting. All right, we're gonna try this again. The percent button is jacked. And try this one more again. Come on. Right. And go. See if it fixes itself after the refresh. There we go. And go ahead, Randy. Take the floor. Read all the norms.
The five basic norms: no one has the right to hurt another person. Education and the classroom are sacred. We will never behave in a way that would discredit ourselves, our school, or our family. In Excel Academy Southwest, student always acts with integrity. We take pride in Excel Academy in Southwest. The five academic norms: we respect the opinions of others, we respect the culture of the classroom, we are attentive and participate, we have high expectations of ourselves, our peers, and our teachers. We are here to focus on preparing ourselves for post secondary endeavors.
Awesome job, Randy. Okay, so let's move to the next. GGI in Townhouse is every day. Mr. Irvin did it today, and it was quite awesome what he talked about. What's in your wallet? Sound like a commercial for a credit card or something. He was actually talking about currency. So look, every day 11:15, GGI is always occurring. There's an opportunity to gain anywhere from 5 to 10 points by just participating in GGI. So if you need the link, you can get it from any of the teachers or any of the behavioral support. On top of that, they have resources as well. So 11:15 to 11:45 a.m. and you get 5 to 10 points for just participating. All right, so let's move to the next. Raspberry Pi kits. A lot of students be trying to come to computer science class on their phone, or they're not sure how to use their computer. Well, guess what? Next week, most of computer science is going to be done on Scratch 3. So there's no getting around it. You're going to have to use the kit to do it because Scratch 3 comes on the kit already. So if you have not gotten your kit, please schedule to come to the school and get your kit so you'll be able to be successful next week. On top of that, or alternatively from that, if you know your kit is damaged and you have one already, bring all the parts to me. I'm usually in the building on Thursdays and Fridays, and I will try to replace your kit and hopefully fix the other kit that was damaged. All right. So keep that in mind. Contact the school, Miss Vega or Miss Ball. It should let you know when is the most appropriate time to come up. Okay, so Carson, can you read this screen here? I see you just arrived.
Every Wednesday and Thursday, learn to code from the convenience of your home and get extra credit for some of your classes. The pandemic effect on coding job market. Why learn to code? The surprisingly broad benefits of coding. Interested? Join by clicking the link at 4 p.m. Let's code.
Very good, sir. All right, that's 10 points. Next would be Randy. Are you there, sir? Uh-oh, Randy. Okay, there he is.
Daily tasks: students will be able to complete the evaluation in EDSB. Hello, all inspiring STEM students. Welcome to class. Inside of EDSB, you can access our pre-recorded videos of each class. These videos are normally ready to review by 4 p.m. daily.
Very good. Okay. Now, this is computer science. Okay, so let's see here. Carson, you're going to do one, and then Randy, you're going to do the next. So, Carson, you ready? We'll read the screen. That's 20
You
points.
said I read this one or the next one.
You're going to read this one, and then Randy's going to read the next one.
MIT Scratch and Microsoft Make code projects are required daily. Most projects are possible to complete on a cell phone, however, functionality will be limited. An actual personal computer is required to take full advantage of the course. Computer science is a graduation requirement for the state of Illinois via the Board of Education. For questions or concerns, email me at michael.tyler at sessyschools.com or reach out to me via FB Messenger.
Okay, great. Okay, so let's see here. Next one will be Randy. Go ahead, take that, Randy.
Today's objectives: students will be able to modify computer science code blocks to other algorithms, variety of operator category conditional statements via source code. Classroom term of the day is query, where the day is flagrant.
Flagrant. Okay, like a flagrant foul in basketball or something. Uh, okay. So let's jump into today's assignment. You should log into Edsby and you will see what I've posted for you. Let's come out of this. And you're gonna need that objective, that word of the day, and everything first and foremost, let me get you started. Log into ESB, and you might also want to log into and separate your screens and have MIT Scratch working. So one moment. So we're gonna come here. I'm gonna grab all of this. Yeah, quiz. Okay. Right. This doesn't apply here, so I gotta remove that for this class. There's no guest speaker for this one. I forgot it would loop over to the other one. Okay. Let's put this part in the chat. And then the next part. You guys don't have to worry about the guest speaker. That was for this morning's class. But you do have to put, all you need to do is remix the code and put in the objective, the word of the day's definition, and the term of the day's definition. And I would like for you guys to change the colors of the sprites you're using, or change the costume like we did last time. This is pretty much a review. Okay, so I need Carson. Can you read where it says hello all the way down to Zen in the chat? And that's 25 points. You with us? Mr. Carson, you there? Okay, Randy, can you take the points for him?
Hello and good day to all future computer scientists. You will need to create a Scratch account, Scratch MIT, and utilize the tutorial to create this project effectively. The link to begin creating your project for today is Scratch MIT Projects. Use the code to recreate, remix your own sprites and backdrop for the entire program. All segments of code need to be ready by tomorrow morning's class. Please keep in mind that you must choose your own sprites and backdrops for this project and all future projects. Stay safe as well as warm up during.
Very good. Okay, so let's go through this slowly. Click on the second link, and here we go. It's MIT Scratch. I'm trying to open it with you guys, and it's called conditionals, right? So if you're logged into your MIT Scratch account, here's what happens. You will be able to at least access the project that looks like this on the screen, right? So if you take a look here, we lost Carson a second ago. I was going to have him share his screen, but he disappeared. I got to wait for him to come back. Hey, Miss Vega. So, all right, Randy, what I want you to do at this point is I want you to open up that link and share your screen, because I want to explain to you what you need to do. Okay, so let me turn on the share feature, because that's usually off. Okay, Randy, if you could, go ahead and share your screen.
Mr. Tyler, can you please send Ashanta Cherry a link to get into your class? She says she's having problems.
Oh, wow. Okay. Do you have her current email address on hand or no? I gotta check the repository. I gotta see if I can get to it.
Wait, Lori.
Okay.
You said what, Miss Vega?
That was Randy.
Oh, okay.
Wait, Mr. Tyler, do you guys both like help get into classes? Because I've been trying to get into my second class too, and I don't even know what class I have.
What do you mean second class, Randy?
Like my second class, it says I have Mr. Tillery. I've been trying to join. It doesn't let me join, and then I try to use the old link that I used to join his class.
He probably has a new link. So what I will do, Randy, is message me in SB real quick, and then I'm gonna loop him in, and then he could probably help you get into that class for next week. Okay, because I think he's gone for the day, so I can't ask him directly. And Ashanta, I got to figure out what her. See, I don't have access on this laptop to the repository. I got to figure that out now. Cherry. Let me see if I can just resend. So, Randy, what I want you to do is real quickly, because I got to help out Ashanta. Ms. Vega, if you have the email address, if you could put it in the chat, that'll help me faster. But uh,
Okay.
Randy, yes, what you're doing now? Okay, yeah. Before he forget, huh? You're gonna do that right now. I'm going to see if I can locate her in my calendar settings. Don't know if I could do that. Sherry. Yeah, see, I don't see her name. Hmm. Yeah, if there's a recent email address she has, I think that was a problem. I don't know if her most recent address is there. Okay, Randy. So you gonna did you remix it? Looks like you did, and you got to share it. Yeah, I think you shared it. Well, it's still orange. Okay, good. All right. Now, Randy, the only thing you need to do is, and I think my screen is still semi-presenting. I see what you got, but I want to make sure you have this here. So wait 1 second. I'm gonna put the link to my classroom into the chat, and I want you to open that up. Oh, wait a minute. Don't you have the link to my classroom already? I think
Yeah,
you do.
I think I have it open.
You got my link open already? To the Yeah. Okay, so present real quick. I don't need to do this part. Way to go, Randy.
Tyler, check your check.
I see it. I see it.
Okay.
I'm gonna send her an emergency link right now. Tell her I'm sending her one now. Okay. Add people. Yeah, so Randy, I want you to go click. I'm sitting on the couch, right? Click on me. Next, you're gonna click on, yep, you know where to go. And I want you to read that one and then the next one. Miss Vega, I just sent her an invite, an emergency invite, not a formal. So she should be able to get in. So, well, you got to present, huh, Randy? Okay.
Yeah, I had to unmute myself.
Right. Okay.
Um,
You got the hang of the Bitmoji. Okay. Okay.
Exploring computer science, MIT Scratch, and Microsoft Make Code projects are required daily. Most projects are possible to complete on a cell phone, however, functionality will be limited. An actual personal computer is required to take full advantage of the course. Computer science is a graduation requirement for the state of Illinois via the Board of Education. For questions and concerns, email me at michaeltyler@sayschools.com and reach out to me via SB Messenger.
Okay. Click on the blackboard.
Today's objective: students will be able to modify computer science code blocks to algorithms for a variety of operator category conditional statements via source code. Classroom term of the day is query, where the day is flagrant.
Flagrant.
Oh, flagrant.
There you go. Okay, so Randy, I want you to know how to get to this screen right here, because right now all you have to do to this one is, remember, change the characters to, I don't know if you can find another car or something, but you remember how I showed you guys yesterday how to swap certain sprites out with other sprites? Do you remember that?
Yeah.
So show me real quick what you would do.
This is
Project couldn't save. Try again. Okay. All right, go to costumes. Well, first you got to select what you want. So either you're going to change the color of the truck, or you're going to add something new to the truck. And you got other cars in there too, by the way.
Oh, those are the cars in here.
You didn't even see that, huh? You just skipped over them.
No, can I use these cars too?
You can. You just got to change the colors a little bit of the cars, okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay. So you can change what the car is. Now I need you to make that one character. You see, what is it? D Money.
Yeah, it's the money.
That's his name, D Money. Hey, Sean, you made it. You thought maybe I was making a joke. And then hip hop. Was it hip hop? Hey, hip hop 2. I want you to recolor them, or change their costume. Okay, but
Mr.
yes.
Tyler, I got a question.
1 second, Ashanta. What's your question, Randy?
I don't think you could color real vehicles.
Okay, no, but just change it and then add the objective and everything, like I showed you. All right, I got to help out Miss Cherry.
All
So
right.
look, the objective, the word of the day, Randy, and the term of the day, their definitions and everything need to be displayed like we did yesterday. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So you can start or you can stop sharing. Ashanta, what was your question?
Okay, I was about to ask you, would I be able to use my the last one I did like this? Would I, if I change the character and stuff?
I don't know. I don't know what it looks like. That's what I'm saying. So first,
No, because remember I had this class before. I'm saying like I already did the project.
okay. So if you can find a project and show me, then I'll look at it and let you know if you can. If not, I put it in the chat already.
I think I turned it in. I turned in some of my projects yesterday that I had on there.
Uh, I gotta check. I don't know if you did though, but let me see.
Yeah, I just turned them in yesterday.
Right, and I did grades recently a while ago, so I gotta check again. All right,
Because
so
I was having trouble getting in the class. I didn't know I had your class.
okay. Yeah, you turned in a bunch of stuff. I gotta grade it, but I'm talking about today's assignment. You got to put the objective and everything in there. So you need my Google slide deck so you can get to the objective and stuff. 1 second. So I still got to do this because she doesn't have it. Now, again, the classroom has an objective, the word of the day and the term of the day. You need to put the definitions of those things into the project. So you got to program it where it's displayed. So it's not just turning it in, Cherry. I hope you watched the video and you saw what words to put in the project because you lost some points if you just resubmitted the same stuff. There's a different word, different objective that needs to be included.
Okay, I could go fix it.
Yeah, that's fine. All you gotta do is go in and correct it. You don't have to resubmit it, but you can go in your MIT Scratch and change it. Like you see right there what Randy's doing. That's what you gotta do, Ashanta. You gotta incorporate the word of the day, objective, and the classroom term of the day with the definitions. So let me put this in the chat for you all. Randy, you can stop sharing. Cherry, I would like for you to share your screen if you can, so I can make sure this works for you on that end. All right, so there's a link I just put in there for you.
I gotta charge up my computer to join on my computer first.
Oh, okay. All right. Let me know when you're ready. All right, so I'm going to resume presentation. Carson, welcome back. Do you know what to do, Mr. Carson?
I'm finna leave and rejoin.
Okay. Tyshawn, are you there? Okay. Tyshawn, I don't know what's going on, man. You're not responding. I was going to have you read something for points, but.
You called me, Mr. Tyler?
Yes, I did. Good.
What you want me to read?
All right. So I wanted you to share your screen. I was going to show you. I wanted to make sure you had the link to the classroom. So can you share your screen real quick? There you go. And do you have the link up and running for the Bitmoji classroom? Oh, you got it bookmarked and everything. He ready. I want to get some points on the score for you. As soon as it opens all the way up, we're going to go to our class, which is computer science. But I want to make sure you know how to get there first. Wait a minute. Didn't we have this issue yesterday? You had the internet issue? It's running super slow. I think we did.
You said what?
Don't you got an internet issue? I remember it was running kind of slow, right?
Yeah.
All right, so don't worry about it. Just read it off my screen. But you're gonna need to like let that load in case you need to remember what the objective, the word of the day, because you're just putting the words and stuff into this project, Carson. You got the project that I gave?
Yeah.
All right. So you're gonna change the costumes of the project after you remix it. And Randy already saw there was other cars in there that you could use. And you got to keep the word of the day, the term of the day, and cl- uh, word of the day, classroom term of the day, and objective. You got to put it into the actual program. All right. So let's go here. Go ahead and read that for me there. You see it?
Yes, today's objective, students will be able to modify computer science code blocks to algorithms for a variety of operator categories, additional statements via source code. Classroom term of the day is query, word of the day is flagrant.
Very good. All right. So, Tyshawn, all I was saying is you got to take the project that I showed you, and I see you got it running on your screen. So it took a while to load, but it got there. And you might want to leave that open because what you need to do is, like I said, and Randy showed us, you got to make it where this guy here, he has a different costume, and he's saying either the objective. He can say objective in one word, but then if you look at the program, there's another person right here. They could say the other word, right? But not just the words, the definitions too. You understand what to do?
Yeah.
Okay, so get started. I'm giving everyone 10 minutes to work on it, and then we're gonna do share outs to see how far everybody got. You might want to stop sharing, Carson, so you can like save some of your internet speed. You don't have to keep presenting. That should free up some of your internet speed. But 10 minutes and be doing looking for share outs to see how far you got with this. This is a quiz, and it's just a review of everything we've covered: how to change costumes, how to use say blocks, event blocks. Trying to see if you guys got the hang of it or not today. Okay. So hurry up and do that, and then I'm gonna show you where to turn it in. We're gonna review the objective, um, and I think that's gonna be it for today. So 10 minutes. I was gonna wait for Shanta to come back. Okay. Oh, we lost some people. I don't know what happened to Carson. I don't know what happened to Cherry. She didn't come back. All right, Randy. So it's just you. Need you to share your screen and let's see how far you've gotten. Are you there, Randy?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, you're sharing. Okay. Okay. Let's see what you got going. Whoa, what you put a caddy right there? Okay. Oh, what's up? Y'all want to see my dance moves? Okay. What about the objective and stuff like that? Oh, when space bar. Okay. So when you hit the space bar on your keyboard, it does it. I see. Okay. Mm-hmm. Did it show the objective? I think it did. I must have missed it. Hit the space bar one time. Okay. Okay, you got it. All right. Okay, so Randy, the only thing else you got to do is okay, you're moving stuff around. Only thing you got to do now is copy the link, and you know how to do that, right? You got to go to see project page once you're done. Right. Okay, I'm waiting on you, Randy. You gotta you see up there it says yeah. We're waiting on it to load. There you go. Copy link. You know how to do this. Yep. And you're gonna put it in Ensby. Looking good. Okay, you know where to put it? Looks like you do. Yep, 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 yep. So the link, yep. Paste. Give it a second. Okay. Mm-hmm. And don't forget to submit. Okay, now Randy, real quick, I want you to go to your messages in Ensby. And here's what I want you to do, because I already emailed Tillery. I want you to copy the message you gave me. Can you copy? Yeah, highlight, copy, Control C or right click. Yeah, copy. And then go up to the little pencil up there. You see it? And type in Tillery. Okay, hold on. Let's see if it pulls. There he is. Click on that. Type in Tyler. You can send us both a message at the same time. There you go. Click on me. All right, now paste your message. The next time you need help, do that, okay? And I already emailed him, so this is just going to help him see it sooner. Send. There you go. And if you have trouble with any of your other classes, you know how to reach out to all your teachers now, okay? Okay, so I think we're at the end. Randy, I want you to go to your slide deck, and we're going to do the objective one last time today. Yeah, I'm going to let you go a little early. You did great today, dude. I told you today was going to be easy. Okay, you got to turn on your mic, though, Randy, before you start presenting. Your microphone's still off, bro. You forgot about that, huh? Not going to be able to talk with your mic off, Randy.
Oh, this whole time I thought I was talking to you.
No, you was not talking to me at all. Did you have a question or something, or what happened?
No wonder you didn't see me back. I was just saying thank you, Mr. Tyler.
I didn't hear nothing, Randy. Yeah, I didn't. You're
Oh,
welcome, Randy, I guess. Okay. All right, I want you to read
this
the
one,
black.
right?
I want you to read both of them. So that one, then the next one. It's gonna be 40 points, and you're through, man. So go ahead.
Exploring computer science, MIT Scratch, Microsoft Make Code projects are required daily. Most projects are possible to complete on a cell phone, however, functionality will be limited. An actual personal computer is required to take full advantage of the course. Computer science is a graduation requirement from the state of Illinois via the Board of Education. For questions or concerns, email me at michael.tyler@sayschools.com or reach out to me via Messenger,
Okay.
SB Messenger.
All right. Click on the blackboard. Let's finish it off.
Well,
There you go.
Today's objective: students will be able to modify computer science code blocks to algorithms for a variety of operator category conditional statements via source code. Classroom term of the day is query, word of the day is flagrant.
Flagrants. Okay. Okay, so Randy, that is it. Did you have
Flagrant.
questions for me? You have any questions for me?
Oh no,
Okay.
it was
Carson,
just
welcome
that
back.
Mr. thing.
You said what?
It was just a Mr. Tillery thing, but you already helped me.
Okay, no problem. All right, well, I'll see you later. Carson, can you share your screen? How much did you get done, dude?
You have a good day, Mr. Tyler.
You too, Randy. Great work. Carson, you with us? We had about
Yeah,
15.
what you say?
I said, can you share your screen? I want to see how much you got done, sir.
I ain't even do none of it.
Oh my God, what you been doing?
My Wi-Fi was tweaking.
Your Wi-Fi always tweaking. We're going to call home and find out what to do. Cause you got to get some of this work done, dude. You can't say Wi-Fi tweaking for the whole school year.
I can't turn it in like after class or something.
Yeah, but the problem is, I'm looking at these scores. Let's see here. We're we got to get stuff done on time because, to be honest with you, Carson, you didn't turn in yesterday's assignment. You didn't turn in the 20th. You got a lot of work you didn't turn in. You keep saying after class, so I don't want to, putting you in hot
Wasn't
water.
yesterday assignment just a redo of the day before assignment?
Yeah, well, no, it was the turtles. Yesterday was the turtle. Remember? Hello?
Um,
Yeah, you didn't do that because I have nothing turned in for that. So you saying I want to just do it after class, but you're not doing it. Okay, so I need you to use the rest of this time to turn in something, okay? Because your score is starting to drop. And then today's assignment, you got to finish too. So you're letting stuff pile up on you. Okay, so couple more minutes. I want you to at least have it remixed today's assignment and try to put the objective and stuff in there. Okay. Did you hear me, Carson, or no?
yeah.
Okay. Let me put about, we got here 120. So let's give you about 7 minutes. 7 minutes, and I'm gonna see how much you can get done. 'Cause I want to give you some in-class points, but if you don't have anything, that doesn't help you. Okay. Let's get this gentleman a couple of minutes. 7. Again, Carson, we got to fix this phone situation. You can't always be on the phone in your class. So where's your computer at?
When my Wi-Fi go out, I join back on my phone.
Okay. So what are you gonna do now? When you see your
I can't.
Wi-Fi went out, how did your Wi-Fi go out?
I don't know. Like it be lagging. My computer be moving slow, and then it just make me lag out of class.
Okay.
And I join back on my phone.
Are you able to connect your phone to your like use your phone as a hotspot?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, you might want to try that instead because you're saying your phone is not letting you remix it. So give that a shot. Try to set up the hotspot on your phone to connect to your laptop. That way you can try to get something done. Carson, can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right, look, just log out. We having a fire drill. I didn't even know it's gonna happen. So log out. Try to get what you can done, dude, because I want to see your score improve. All right. Use your
All right.
phone as a laptop. Use your phone as a hotspot to your laptop, and you should get a faster connection. And I don't know. We got to talk to your mom about improving your score, your Wi-Fi speed.
Yeah, she calling them today about it.
Okay, all right. Not trying to be hard on you. I just don't want you failing the class. So
All right.
you can log off because class is pretty much over with, and we're doing this fire drill.